Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to Rio Traders. It's me, Sulaiman Khan. Today I will try to provide you the analysis of the gold and very detailed analysis because this week from 28th November till the until the Friday like 3 December, this would be the very critical and very volatile week. Now why it would be very volatile, I will first of all I will try to check it out the Forex factory calendar, and I will tell you what are the important datas. Like today is the Monday and 28th of November. Today we have also the very important USD newses and also the odd newses. And on the other side, if you will check it out on the tomorrow like Tuesday, we have also the important data of the CAD and GBP and the USD CB consumer confidence. And on the other side, if you will check it out on the Wednesday also we have the very important data regarding the ADP unemployment changes and the job opening, and in which regarding the USD, Wednesday will be very much volatile because they will decide regarding the inflations and all these stuffs. So on the other side, if you will check it out about the Thursday, on the 1st December, we have also the very much important data regarding the CPI, and if you will check it out here, ISM manufacturing PMI. And on Friday, as you know, this would be the first Friday of the month is the NFP. So on Friday you guys can see here the unemployment rates and also the non-farm payrolls. So this whole week would be very much volatile. Now if you will check it out here on the chart of the gold, so gold market is right now struggling towards its move towards the upside. Now before starting the technical analysis, I will clear some things regarding the central banks. So according to American central banks, they are saying, according to their reports, that inflation is approximately going to be is not increasing that much as it was increasing in the last few months. So and also they are also assuming that they will not increase the interest rates too much. So this news will have the high impact on the USD. So according to this news that was published on last Thursday, according to that news, it seems like that the dollar would be weakened and the gold will tries to move upside. Now let's start the technical analysis. As you guys can see here, the right now I have opened the day one time frame chart of the gold. Now if you will see here on the gold side, it is telling us very clearly one thing, that is approximately, you guys can see here, there is a very huge trend line, and market has already broken that trend line from the upside. Now if you will see here, this was a trend line which market was following from many months. So market was struggling in just between upside and downside, and after the breakout of this trend line, market just goes upside. Just market has break. Now right now we will check it out that either market has given us the fake breakout or either it's a real breakout. So if you will see here, with a very clearly, you guys can see here that market was struggling in between that areas. Market has again tested the trend line, again the swing high market creates, then swing lows, then swing high, then again swing lows, then again swing high. So as you guys can see, I have also given this thing in my training session classes also, that in the trend line would become weaker when it will take the approximately more than 3 tests. Because you guys can see here, this was the first test, this is the first test, then second test, third test, and this was a fourth test. And when 4 tests completed, then market has break out that trend line. So right now we guys can see here that right now on the behalf of trend line of the day one time frame chart, it is very clear that right now market is approximately on the upside, on the buyer side. So right now we will see here one more thing very in the details, that right now is it a fake breakout or is it a real breakout. So if you will see here, we have few important areas on the day one time frame chart which we have to, first of all I will try to mark those areas. So if you will adjust follow those areas very carefully. That would also try to help out you guys in the future also. The first area that is supportive area is that's approximately this area, that is 1690. This is a range from 1615 till 1620, or this would be 30. This is the range, so I will also mark it is as a my range, because this is the ranging zone area. So if you have to trade in between this area, you should have to use your big stop loss. And if you, I will mark that area with that way. That area is marked. So this is the area, it's a very good and strong supportive zone, and also it's a supportive area for the gold. And previously market has just due to this trend line, market has just comes downside and market has taken the support, and here market has created the three double bottom. And whenever market creates the three bottom out figure, like double bottom is also the same thing, and the third bottom, you guys can see here that market has created here the three bottom, triple bottom. So when markets create a triple bottom, it's a strong confirmation that market will goes upside, and market has break that trend line from this area. Then after that market has given us the doji candle, then after market has given us the proper breakout, and after that market has not given us at least proper the retest, but after that again market has tried to give us the retest. Now first of all you will check it out that either it's a real breakout or a fake breakout. Or first, on the behalf of that confirmation, we will check it out the Fibonacci retracement levels from the high to the low. That will tells us that either it's the proper retracement or not retracement. Now if you will check it out here, that is telling us that market has given us the approximately near to the 0.38.2 retracement level. So that's mean that it's the proper retracement. Now this is the important area for us, that is 1730 or 1725, this area. So this is a very important area. So if market will tries to break that area 1720 to 25 range area, so it means that market can again goes properly downside until this would be the area 1680. So first of all you will mark few areas for you guys, so in the future you have to pay focus on those areas. So first area is this area, that is approximately this small boundary line. So if you are holding your buy trades, you should have to hold your buy trades, and you can open your buy trades at 1720 to 1725. This would be the range. And on the second side, this is the important area for the gold. If market will not be stable at that area, then we will try to look at and we will try to catch some buy trades at this area 1680, 1675 till 1680. So this would be the best area to put the buy trades. So right now we have the three areas where we can put the buy trades. First area is 1720 to 25 range. Second is 1675 to 1680, and third important area is 1620. Like this would be the area. Now on the second side, guys, the thing is that here we will give us here, because the thing is that you guys can see here that market has given us the 38.2 retracement level, but it is not that much clear. It is not that much clear. So actually market should have to be approximately stay downside here. Then after that market should have to give us the dojis or pin bar candles. Then after that market should have to go upside. On the second side, if market will not be stable here, like on the buying side, you guys can see here that right now market has raised like this way, and then after that market has goes this way. Then after the market has not here give us the proper retracement. I am again repeating that market has not given us the proper retracement. So it seems like maybe market should have to go this way. Then after that market should have to move like this way for the next target, that would be approximately 1880. So let's see right now the targets of the buying side. So basically market is in bullish way. So a lot of things are supporting the market technically also, and fundamentally also. It is there's a great support that market is overall in the bullish zone. The only way that can makes the market bearish, if market will break 1720 area, then the next target would be 1680. This would be the next target. So on the second side, if you will check it out here, the next zone where market can goes, So you guys can see here that this is also the important area, that is 1800. But if market will tries to break that area, then the next target should have to be 1880. This would be the second zone, second target, where market, I can see that market should have to be goes at least this way. So these are the important areas for the gold on the behalf of, if I will also mark it like 1880 is a possibility. If market will tries to take a support from this area, then market will approximately goes to this way. Now if you will talk about on the other side, let's see on the behalf of H4 time frame chart. I will try to also give you the analysis of the H4 time frame chart, and I will try to also give you the analysis of the H1 time frame chart, so the scalpers can take and can create more and more scalping ways, and they can earn great profits. So if you will think about the on the behalf of H4 time frame chart, H4 time frame chart was basically bullish. So then after that, market has tried to create try to break the bullish trend line. Now why I'm saying that market has tried to break the bullish trend line, and why I am entering in the bearish side, and why I am entering in the sell again and again. So if you will check it out, this was a trend line which market was recently following. This was a trend line which market was recently following. So as you guys can see here that after the third touch points, market has broken that trend line. Now if you will see here, this from here market starts, this was the first swing point, then after market goes upside, swing high, then again swing point, then again market goes upside, third swing point, then again market goes upside, and again market has tried to go downside, but unfortunately again market has break that trend line. And after the breakout of trend line, market gives us little bit retracement and then starts falling downside. So right now basically guys, if market should have to be goes upside, so there are a few ways. Then again here, if you will check it out on the H1 time frame chart, or H1 time frame chart will tell you more clearly regarding the trend line, that market was again bearish, but again market turns into the bullish. But on the behalf of H4 time frame chart, right now we don't have any bullish confirmation. Why we don't have any bullish confirmation on H4 time frame chart? If you will check it out here guys, if I will draw a Fibonacci retracement levels from the highs to the lows of the on the behalf of H4 time frame chart, that is approximately this way. Yeah. So if you will see here, let me make it more clear. Yeah. So in this way you will be able to read it out more clearly. So from this was a high point and this was a low point. I have marked the Fibonacci retracement level, so you guys can see here that this was a 61.8 retracement level and this was a 38.2 retracement level. Market has first of all goes downside again to this area, then after that market has given us the retracement approximately near to the 61.8 retracement level. You guys can see here nearly 61.8 retracement level. And before that market has started giving us the dojis and the pin bar candle. You guys can see here there are clearly market has telling us the dojis and pin bar candle, and still no, market has not given us the properly any strong bullish candle. So market has not given us any strong bullish candle. So I will wait for approximately 17 more than like this area, 1756 or 17 this way. I will wait for this area. If market will gives us the closing above 1755 1756 in the H4 time frame chart, then I will try to look for the buy trades. On the other side, I can see that market can again goes to the 1740 or 1730 zones area. This is a possibility if market will be unable to be stumbled here. Now why you guys can see here that market is again and again going upside. Why market is going again upside? Because of this 38.2 retracement level, market is trying to follow that area. Now if you will check it out on the H1 time frame chart, so H1 time frame chart will give us the more clarity and more surety that how market is moving. So on the behalf of H1 time frame chart, you guys can see here that this was H4 time frame chart. Market has again here, market, if you check it out, this trend line, this was a trend line. Market has given us the market has was again the bearish trend line. Market has created here the bearish trend line. So this trend line was telling me that market should have to be goes downside, but after that market has created and approximately you guys can see after the fourth swing point, market has break out that trend line and market goes upside. Now again here, now here on H1 time frame chart, you guys can see that, and you can see the surety that either market should have to go upside or downside. On H1 time frame chart, if I will draw the Fibonacci retracement level again, that will tell us that about the retracement zones. So this is also the actually Fibonacci retracement level is not that much good, way to understand the retracement. There are a lot of things to understand the Fibonacci retracement levels. So if you look at here on that one time frame chart, that is telling me that market has completely given me the retracement of 38.2 retracement level completely. But on the second side, I can see here that market has given me the very good bearish engulfing candle. So right now market is trying to create and break that engulfing candle with this A. So that's why I am saying that I will try to wait for approximately 1755 to 1756 zone area. If market will break that area, then I will try to look for the buy trade. Otherwise, I will try to think that maybe again market will try to goes downside. So this is all the analysis. I hope so that you will like that video. Kindly share it with your friends and do subscribe it. And there's a one more good news that will be posted soon, so stay tuned for that thing. So keep remember us in your prayers. Stay blessed. Take care.